Hi everyone, this is Demon2495 doing a video for ComfyMagicSlippers, and I hope you like it. Alright, 2 rubber bands interconnected in each of my hands so they can't pull apart. Show you here, show you here, show you here, but that's not the fun part, because the fun part is if I just rub it, they slowly break away. Next one. 2 rubber bands, one on top, one on bottom. If I just warm it up a little bit, slowly you can see that it just comes together. What's even worse is that it's actually in it. Well, it's already cooled down, so I'll have to do that again. So let me just stretch it out a little bit more. And so I'll just, there we go. Alright, last but not least, 2 rubber bands. You can see them back together, just like the first trick. It's funny because first one, if I just rub it, it's even better is one of them disappears. Hope you enjoyed.